In this video, I'm talking about the comfort zone. Now, we've all got one of these comfort zones, and staying in the comfort zone is painless. It's as though we're asleep. There's no effort, and we continually do what we've always done. Time passes. There's no risk of failure, no challenges, no beliefs, no lessons to learn. When we see others passing us by, we can assume that they are just having a lucky break. Remember, nothing happens until you take action. We've got to have faith in our dreams because nothing else matters. And your goal will not be achieved if you do not step out of that comfort zone. And, you know, I remember being told a story about a frog. Put a frog into hot water and he will jump out. However, you put a frog into cold water and put it on the heat, the frog will be comfortable. He won't notice that he's slowly being boiled to death. And basically, it was because he was comfortable there. He didn't want to jump out. And does that happen to us? With our lives, we get comfortable until the day we die. It's as though it's too much effort to go for those goals, those dreams. So we may take the same journey, but our experience of it will always be different. With each step forward, each small goal achieved, our confidence grows. Our self-image becomes more positive and we feel better in ourselves. And yeah, before I started my NLP journey, I had not got any confidence in me. I always thought I was a failure and I was just no good. That is how I saw myself, because I never got any decent qualifications at school. I failed. And when you fail, and I don't like the word fail, I much prefer the NLP, there's no such thing as failure, only feedback. That really spoke to me, because the feedback was that, where do I need to improve? And yes, you can improve. You need to find somebody that can help and support you and can talk your language to help you get out of your comfort zone. We're all different. I'm different to you. You're different to me. But if I'm speaking your language and I can help you, I will. I understand people. The other important thing, and I believe this because I put a lot of effort into my schoolwork, and everybody said at some stage in Karen's life, she deserves success because I did work hard, but I felt as though I was not getting anywhere. But if you put into your life 100% effort, you will get eventually what you put in back. But put nothing into your life, and you're right, you get nothing back. So it's no good complaining if you're not putting anything in. It's a bit like investing money. Okay, the interest rates aren't that fantastic at the moment, but you can't expect to get money on nothing. But if you put £100 into a savings account, you will get, okay, at the moment, maybe a couple of pennies back. But those couple of pennies soon mount up. And I was told, look after the pennies and the pounds look after themselves. And I have lived to that. However, taking action does not guarantee success, but taking no action is a guarantee that nothing will happen. And what I want you to do is think of in terms of being in a car. And I think I've talked previously on previous broadcasts about being the passenger and a driver. Because if you're a passenger in the car, you go where the driver takes you. Yeah? You've got no say in the route, in the journey of how you're going to get there. However, if you're the driver, you have a say of where you're going, the route you take. So to get out of your safe comfort zone, be that conscious driver, and you can determine where you're going and the speed and progress you make. I believe you can change your life, make things happen, but it's your responsibility to take the positive action and make it happen. I will repeat that again. It's your responsibility to make things happen and take positive action to make it happen. I'll leave you with those thoughts, and I will catch you on my next broadcast. If I've said something that you need help supporting, don't struggle on your own, but reach out. May not necessarily to be me, but reach out to somebody else. Bye for now.